Hello everyone, myself Prachwati Nixon Rodriguez once again welcome you all on my channel. In the last video, you have learnt a trick to find out LCM of numbers. Today, in this video, I am going to teach you a trick to find out HCF of numbers. So let's start. Let's learn the concept of HCF. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. Do you know the meaning of factors? Factors means a whole number by which a larger number can be divided. So let's see one example with the explanation how we can find out HCF of given numbers. Suppose you want to find out HCF of 8 and 12. Then how you will find out? For that you have to just note down the factors of 8 and factors of 12, and from both the factors you have to find out the highest common factor. That will be your HCF for the given numbers. Now let's see what are the factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now just write down the factors of 12. What will be the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Now we have to find out. First, after finding out factors, you have to see what are the common. What are the common factors? You can see 1 is common. Then 2 is common in both the numbers. 4 is common. What else is common? No, only 3 factors are common. Out of these 3 common factors, now you have to select the highest common factor. And what is the highest common factor? You can see here the highest common factor is 4. So what will be the HCF of 8 and 12? It's 4. Clear? Let's learn a trick to find out HCF of given numbers without solving it or without any explanation. So let's take some examples to see how you can apply today's trick to find out HCF. Suppose you want to find out HCF of 6, 12 and 18. Now let's see how you will apply today's trick. What you have to do it first with the help of today's trick. In the first step, you have to select the smallest number from the group. Now here the smallest number is 6. Once you will select the smallest number, in the second step you have to check whether the remaining numbers from the groups you can divide it by the smallest number. And if you will check 12, you can divide it by 6 because 6 2s are 12. And 18 also you can divide it by 6. Means when the numbers from the groups can be divisible by the smallest number, then that smallest number is itself the HCF for that group. Therefore, the HCF for 6, 12 and 18 is 6. Now let's see the second type of it. Suppose you want to find out HCF of 4, 16 and 22. This is different case, okay? First step is same. You have to select the smallest number. What is the smallest number here? Smallest number is 4. Then in the second step, what you have to check? Whether the remaining numbers from the groups are divisible by the smallest number. If you will check, you can divide 16 by 4 because 4 4s are 16. But you cannot divide 22 by 4. So when such type of cases will come, then what you have to do? You have to just find out the factors of the smallest number. Now what will be the factors for the smallest number? 1, 2 and 4. These are the factors for the 4. Okay. Now with 4, 22 is not divisible. So that you cannot take. So you have to just see the next factor of it and check out whether with that factor you can divide both the numbers from the groups. And if you will check, you can divide 16 by 2 and you can divide 22 also by 2. Therefore, for this group 4, 16 and 22, what will be your SCF? Your SCF will be 2. So when such type of numbers will come in the group, and if you cannot divide all the numbers with the smallest number, then you have to find out the factors for the smallest number, and from that factors you have to select the number. With that you can divide the remaining numbers from the groups. Let's take one more example to clear your confusion regarding HCF. Suppose you want to find out HCF of 17, 21, 25 and 27. As I have explained you earlier, what will be your first step? You have to select the smallest number from the group. And here the smallest number is 17. Then in the second step, what you have to check? Whether you can divide the remaining numbers from the group with that smallest number. Now you cannot divide 21 by 17. You cannot divide 25 by 17. And you cannot divide 27 by 17. And if you will see, 17 is a prime number, and prime number in the last video also I have explained you. Prime number means what? A number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Now what are the factors of 17? First I will write down 1 and 17. Now with the 17, these remaining numbers are not divisible, so that I have to just cancel it. Now what factor remain here? 1. So what will be the SCF for this group? SCF for the given group will be 1. Means when the prime number comes in the group, and if that prime number is only the smallest number from the group, then in that case your SCF will always be 1. Hope you understood today's trick and like the video. Then please like it, share with your friends, and till now if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. See you all in the next video with some new tricks. Thank you. Bye.